Mamalize. I'm South African living in Switzerland. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how it is to wear a wig and didn't dare to ask anybody, or just a topper? Or there was a cosmetic procedure that you were thinking about and not too sure if you should do it. And I'm not talking major stuff. I'm not talking any surgical stuff. I'm just mesotherapy, peeling, medical peeling. Don't know much about Botox, but can tell you a little bit. Fillers, anything of that sort. Are you interested in learning about the latest skincare? As you can see, I have done a couple of things at home. Welcome to check my channel out. If this is anything that you would like, then please subscribe. I'm also very creative. I love painting, decorating, just arts and crafts, do my own home decorations. I share it with you guys. Here's also a couple of channels that you can look at. So I have a mishmash of everything. I'm a girly girl. If this is anything up your alley, then my channel is basically for you. I will upload it once a week at least, sometimes twice a week. If you are worried that you're going to miss my uploads, please click on the bell button. It will notify you every time that I'm uploading. Thank you for subscribing in advance. Have a good day.